Hey, what's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. Welcome back to the channel. So I did say I wanted to do the Hive news, just cover it. So I just thought I would give it about till today and see how the market reacts to it before doing the video. So currently Hive is down like about 3%. It's not because of the news or whatever. It's just a reaction to Biden's tax proposal. I'll cover that in the challenge video, but Hive did hit today of high of 26.46. So we saw a 3% gain, and then after that news came, it just tumbled down. But now it's kind of recovering nicely, so that's good. So Hive, they completed share investment in DeFi Technologies. So this is just a confirmation news type thing. So they did a share swap transaction. So DeFi gets... Hive will receive 10 million shares of DeFi, so that will be 5%, and then DeFi will get 4 million shares of Hive, representing about 1%. And Hive has about 350 million shares outstanding, so that's a lot compared to like Bitfarms and Hut. They're in the 100 million range, so yeah. So this is still conditional on approval of the TSX Venture Exchange. So yeah. So Hive and DeFi have created a partnership surrounding the decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem with specific application around Ethereum and miner extractable value. So that's MEV. So the new partnership, which follows months of discussion, will provide Hive with a strategic stake in DeFi Technologies and a broader partnership surrounding the DeFi ecosystem with a specific focus on Ethereum-based MEV space and developments surrounding it. So the boom in Ethereum price has three powerful drivers, mainly DeFi, which has a substantial part of the additional fees Hive has received for mining Ethereum on the cloud. And so the others are stablecoins, and the most recent one is non-fungible tokens or NFTs. So we believe DeFi is the most significant demand driver, and our investment in DeFi Technologies gives our shareholders a double benefit. So yeah, that makes sense. DeFi has more projects, has more value, at least I think, for Hive to partner with, since Hive is the most kind of like the biggest publicly traded company that mines Ethereum. Hut is starting to mine Ethereum, so once they get their NVIDIA, was it NVIDIA? Yeah, I think it was NVIDIA. Once they get their CMP hard drive, they'll do that. They'll mine Ethereum. So yeah. So what MEV is, MEV refers to the amount of profit miners can extract from reordering and censoring transactions on the blockchain. So it has become an important issue over the past years as the DeFi space has grown from 3 billion to 71 billion in market cap. So of the $347 million of extracted MEV, 88% comes from DeFi activities. So as can be seen from data by Coinmetrics, over half of all Ethereum miner revenue currently comes from transaction fees. So that's gas fees. So by partnering together to take on these activities, individuals gets a more capital efficient market to play in while distributing greater returns to miners for acting more altruistic. Okay, so DeFi and new apps are focused on disrupting financial intermediaries, so on the financial side. And DeFi reached new heights over the past 12 months as dozens of projects launched and large amount of capital flowed in. So the majority of DeFi apps use Ethereum ERC token standards to create new coins. So DeFi has pushed Ethereum price to new highs this year, and it is accelerating innovation and experimentation. So it is estimated that more than $1 trillion in transaction passed through Ethereum ecosystem in 2020, putting it roughly on par with payment giant PayPal. So that's crazy. This mega trend in DeFi is a big tailwind for Ethereum demand, and we believe we are in the early innings. That's what I've been saying, and we are still really, really early. I feel like I think in a few years' time we'll kind of notice the effects of this, and we'll see changes in the financial system, and slowly the adoption and everything. It just takes time, so that's the only kind of like the negative point. Is just you gotta be patient and wait with this thing. I don't think I got into the DEX yet. Yeah, so the Bitcoin was Bitcoin was up 300% in 2020, while Ethereum was up 470. So regardless of how high Bitcoin is, I feel like Ethereum always is up more. So that's why investing in Ethereum and just the blockchain DeFi space makes more sense to me. So yeah, due to the high demand from DeFi apps like stablecoin to decentralized exchange known as DEX. So Hive is the blah blah. Okay, I said that already. Yeah, so decentralized exchange. So DEX, you can see all the DEX. If you don't know what DEX is a cryptocurrency exchange which operates on a decentralized way without any central authority. So these are some of the projects or DEX out there. Yeah, you can go to this website here and just check it out. There's also DeFi projects, so you can see all the projects that's out there. So payment systems out there, Connects, Lightning Network, Stable Pay, yeah. So we can go into marketplace stable coins. There's a bunch. You can focus on Ethereum network here. So we got DAI. I think we got DeFi dollar. We got USDT and USDC. Yeah, USDC. And then we got wrapped Bitcoin. So yeah. Just go around here and just check out this website here. So let's see. So you can see stable coins are pretty much 1-to-1 ratio with backed by a fiat currency. So pretty much USDT and also USDC. Where'd it go? Yeah, it's a 1-to-1 ratio with the US dollar. So, and then there's also a Canadian one. I think it's like QCAD. I think that's what it's called. QCAD. Just Canadian cash. eToro Cadex. So there's a few. Okay. So you can look at the gas price here. So slow, standard, fast. Yeah. So, and the total market cap for crypto in general is $2 billion US dollars, and about 9,400 coins, and about 369 exchanges. So Bitcoin obviously dominates this space, so it's about 50%, and Ethereum is at 14.6, evident by the market cap. So Bitcoin's currently down, but today it really fell. Not that much, but you can see the separation between the Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. So you can see Ethereum has just kind of separated itself from Bitcoin. I did say this in my previous my challenge video yesterday, that Ethereum is starting to pull away, and we are just shy of previous highs, but we have made new high here. So all-time high at 26.46. So the previous high was at 25.49, so we are still above that. So that's pretty good. Okay, so that was the DEX, and then blockchain analysis firm chain analysis. Jesus, my tongue. Says DeFi is growing at a warp speed, and DeFi's explosive growth has much further to grow, since most DeFi apps are built on top of the Ethereum network, the world's second largest crypto platform, and DeFi is a smart contract The future looks very attractive with DeFi becoming a sustainable demand driver for Ethereum price. So you can check out their YouTube channel. Hive has a YouTube channel, I believe. So yeah. Anyway, this is a really big play for both of them. One being Hive is kind of like the only one that has a majority stake in mining Bitcoin. Ethereum. I think they're like 70%. Let's just say 60% plus. And DeFi kind of focuses on what Ethereum is trying, where Ethereum also makes money. So decentralized finance. So both kind of win-win situation right here. And seems like we're still down. Some of the shares are kind of recovering from Biden's news. Some of them, it's just Bitfarm hot. It's down because Ethereum, Bitcoin is down. So we can't really help with that. So I think that's it for this one. I think that's all I wanted to share. Yeah. So you also have to look out for the new inner silicon miners that are coming out for Etash. So Etash is pretty much one of the it mines Ethereum, so one of the mineable coin in that in Etash. So one of the algorithm. I keep missing that word. Right. So I think that's it. So please feel free to like and subscribe. Please know this is not financial advice. Always fact check what I'm saying, so you know what you're getting into, right? So so I'm just gonna it's gonna be tight, but I'm gonna do the challenge video. Probably release it around 5:30 to 6 p.m. depending on how fast I can do it. So yeah, check that out too. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.